Hello everyone, hello. This is your one and only Lady Jo. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so that if I put more videos, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you people. Now Kevin matter now we see this, so you know say Kevin now. Kevin a big star now. He do popular for everywhere. Nobody will not know Kevin now. Very soon now, Kevin go dey even dey sign for people now because we don't make Kevin popular. Kevin do popular. Kevin now even pass Michael Jackson self. Kevin everywhere. Kevin I hear you, Kevin. You too much. You don't be star now. You don't popular for everywhere. So Kevin matter now we still there because I listen to when you call a pa, when you come begin to talk your own side of the story. If a person call the woman not the fear good, they say our in-law. Which in-law you be? Who give you a husband with the in-law? He will say our in-law. Which in-law you be? So I see when you a pa call tell you say I beg you not be your in-law. Who want be in-law to man? God forbid bad thing. He say na so Kevin do this, na so Kevin know say you be man. So Kevin, our brother, he say he no know say you na man. Kevin say he no know. He say because na dating site na it una for see. So he not really know say you na man. He no know, he say you be woman. And you now maybe na so you tell they deceive people with all they toast you for online. Now you tell they say you be woman, although you don't really talk about social media, say you be man. And for that one, I don't hear one or two times where you don't talk one day like that when I made your video, you know. So our brother Kevin, he say he no know you, he never see you before, so he don't know. We will take that one from our brother because really we must not know everybody. You know if you are popular on social media like that, if you say everybody must know you. As Aro Kelly, as a popular rich. Again, once at the time where Aro Kelly enter train. As he enter train, he can't tell everybody can't hail him as Aro Kelly where he be. Aro Kelly, everybody they praise him, they hail him, you know. So now one woman can say, who be this guy? Why everybody just they want snap picture with time, everybody just they hail him. Now he can tell the woman, say, you don't know me, Aro Kelly. That woman say, no know you. We never see this person before. Who you be? I don't know you. He can't feel bad. Say, so I see popular. They see this person who don't know him. So now so a bit of this woman now. Kevin must not know you. You understand? For that one, I feel take that one for me because this thing don't happen before many people come even they know you. They come they say, "Who be this person?" They want to see a video. Now there many people come even they see your video. Even some of my friends they not still know you. So everybody must not know you. You understand? That one are truth. So Kevin say he don't know, he can't toast you online for dating site one for see, then you can't agree, then you be say and you dey, and so you dey always they call her, may he come. You can't the reason now why this woman always tell her say make him come, you know, although he say he never seen no say you be man that time. So and now you even buy ticket for him, make come see you. He say he can't come. So 12 una come day. He said that time, so he never do anything with you, he never say no. He said now when he can't reach your side. So 12 now, he said every this month you do video. In the this na normal. Even one of the dance, you not see that part one of the dance. They always the one close your pint for back. You go they leave him because he don't know say now what you they do. He don't know say you always the dance naked. He don't know. That making the one cover up for you. Don't know say you be very, very shameless person. You don't get shame for high. You don't know. So he go just leave you. You go just the dance, you know. So that time, so he say never see enter your Jerusalem. He said now when he can say I may enter, now he say you get John Thomas. He be not know. So when they can say you get John Thomas, now you can say so now man he can meet because that boy na very cute small boy. Now woman is supposed to carry. So he no say you be a man like him because I know say many of our boys not what they not fit do because of document because of this document issue. So and they don't follow person where they're not supposed to even follow. They don't follow Igbo, they don't follow many people where they're not supposed to follow, because I feel say maybe now because of documents, na NBC push you to all those things, but you're not going to say this one will lead you to disgrace, and this one will for everywhere. Every social media just carry them, so you don't know. Now so now there, when you can reach there, now you can see na man. You understand? But this woman now not gonna take on like that. He just they say you even do social media again, do live video. They say you know. Not be say you not knowing the way they talk. But everybody must not know you, my dear. Everybody must not know you. What even make me they do this video? And I see one live video where Aproko comment as carry. When this man woman so they do live video again. One of Igbo man can call him. He say he want really know whether the girl get HIV. Now he tell us say he get. He say he not believe. Say he get. Now he come they ask the man say, "Are you want date him?" He say yes. Now he come tell the man say, "In a man no. This he even they tell this one now. The man say they say he not believe because he see breast. You don't know say they feel pumper. I been never go look the pictures for Facebook. Saying they call for America. He ain't go like to know him. Then the man say, really? He can't shake he breast for him. If they shake him for him, the man say they say he want see him. He want see him. But they use the cash him. You know, and a video call for the caller. Like the woman can't carry the video. He can't carry and face everybody. Made the see him. Say see him another Nigerian man again. Why una dey fool on ourselves, our Nigerian men? Why una dey fool on ourselves? We just dey finish for one now. Whenever I will finish, you now you want to come your own now. Come see him. Or if una just see person they dance naked, that una John Thomas they supposed to tie him. They go tie him, go keep him for one corner because this una he don't pass Joromi. Then they finish for one, and you now see they do your own for corner. Now, what for now? Our Africa people. Make una take a easy. If they do now this one, I'm gonna go find what you come inside now. If they do now this one, I'm gonna go find what you come. Which one will be say everybody the fans they want to click a view now. You now want to for enter now. Kevin now say, Kevin, you know the shame where this woman put for everybody. You know the shame. You know see when the video Kevin, you go tell Kevin say no. You know the video you, no worry. In the video yourself, whereas na lie in the video Kevin no. You just want to put that disgrace for everybody. So waiting my advice to Kevin. May go do test. If he lie for social media, say no sleep with him, really. But we feel not because that part where the woman called they say, my baby shit is coming out. It's coming out. It's a wake every day. I'm married overnight, and a bomb on night for hair. So maybe that cause when he say he baby shit is coming out. They pay now, But Kevin say not do anything like that with him. So. This one be if you ask me now who I go ask. If you ask me now who me go ask. Kevin say no do one. Nobody did there with them. But only that I see where Kevin they kiss them too. They say they don't feel contact and true kissing sharp. They say now only when the person get caught for mouth. So I go advise Kevin to go do test. I pray. But according to the woman, when somebody ask him, say whether I go feel transfer to Kevin, he say no. Say Kevin no go fit carry the way until they take the medicine and be I don't know. Say Kevin no go fit carry. So I pray make Kevin no fit carry. I just because that boy too fine. We will just carry that kind of disease for now. So I just pray maybe say Kevin make it day well, make family because the disgrace now when he put for a family but now not be small one. Not be small one. So I just pray, make it day okay. I beg, may everybody know that woman now. Woman, a man, no, not be woman, no man. That will not be the way God take create her more. Oh, now when they turn herself to a woman. Una dey using direct, they tell God say no create una way. Abi una no know. So and I sin for God. So I beg. And if anybody get that plan to go turn themselves to woman, me not turn no, I beg. I beg make them know this man now. Make the picture go do you the share am for everywhere so that make them know am. Make another person not go for this victim again, no. Because Kevin, now the disgrace when they put for Kevin body now, Kevin go the shame now for a city when he did now, he go the shame. Because this woman now be man, I know what I go call him. The disgrace when you put for Kevin body, not be small one. So I beg, if una who know Kevin, make the city take am easy with her, make it not go hang himself. I beg, because the people don't discipline her, they don't deal with her rich. He does still do. We will still forget the matter. We will still enter another one. Kevin, go do test so that this one are lesson to our men. We be say they not the one work when they look for woman they go for social media. They not go one look. This one not be hook up. This one na in by itself go find dating site. Now if you see if una see any woman for dating site, I beg. Make una they look them una they look them well or una they look social media or I beg. So that wetin happen to Kevin so may not happen to una. So this is my advice to our people. Kevin, go do test to make you know if you dey free. Let me go happy for you, Pastor Beg. If you just dey free, carry the paper, show everybody for social media. In case you one friend get tomorrow, may not come affect you. You understand? So thank you everybody and take care until I come your way next time. I remember your one and only Lady J. Thank you. Bye. And I will put my number there so you can see contribute. If I don't see talk and what, Mona take them from me. If I see talk and what, Mona take them from me. I be una friend, una everything. So thank you everybody and take care until I come your way next time. Remember your one and only Lady J. Share this video for me. Always put thumbs up for us, please. It's not easy to come the talk story. Una go the listing. At least many people now this story does they make them. And if one go wrong, they'll still come listen to one or two advice of this our topic. Many people they get advice, many people they call. If you see one, let's see bring your story come out. Still call us. We go still bring a come out too. We not go call name. We not go measure your name. We go keep everything secret for you. So thank you everybody and take care until I come your way next time. Remember your one and only Lady J. Bye.